Alright, so I just filled the tires up. If you guys saw yesterday's shit, back was at 18 and the front was at like 26. So I put them up to 36. I'm gonna head out to the gym now. And it's the middle of the day. So hopefully I got enough gas, because we're gonna head out there and I gotta go pick up the truck and the trailer for our Indiana run tonight. I like that purple. Not a Mustang guy, but I like that wrap. Oh, I see the Mustang things in the front, okay. But she should ride a little bit better now. Definitely picks up a little bit of speed not having that fucking tire like that. A flat tire will hold you back. If you ever tried to push a car with flat tires versus regular, filled up tires, you'll notice the difference. But just gonna have a casual cruise today, not doing anything stupid, just enjoying the weather. Gym, truck, I got a nice 18-hour round trip to do. So let's get it. It's a little windy today too. Oh, fuck this right lane. Oh, we got our first one. Come on, man. Alright, so we're gonna cut everything from the highway because I'm a piece of shit and I'm not gonna post me doing illegal shit. Not that I do that, I always ride 100% legal, but let's just say the bike ride's noticeably better than it did. But we are going to do some low speed splitting because I can. Nippy out today. Not too bad though. Watch this. Downshift. Ready? Up, 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 up. I'm not gonna do it again because I think that'll be first. I don't like to downshift into first. Look at this. Down, down, down. Got that GP shift. Absolutely love it. For anybody wondering if that shit's worth it, watch this. Down. Not gonna split here because, it's a turn and shit, but I will do it on straights. Fucking do not disturb is weird on your phone. It'll pause your music if someone's calling you and just not ring. Like, the whole point of do not disturb is don't interrupt my fucking music! I figured I'd come down here and do some low split stuff. I don't like doing shit on the highway. You're not supposed to. had a cop read my plate earlier. That's kind of neat. I didn't film any of that shit yet, but look at this. Love it. Woo. Always remain vigilant. That's not his fault. I know, a lot of you guys in the fucking in the bike community would be pissed that, oh my god, he cut me off. Nah, man. Not me. Not me. I'm nimble. I'm agile. I can get through this shit. I noticed nobody in person complains about splitting. I've never ran into somebody who's had a problem with it. Only these bitter people on the internet who got nothing better to do than complain about something. It's like, oh, I'd run you off the road. No, you wouldn't, pussy. Is that a cop? Yeah, I think it was, actually. I didn't do nothing wrong. What's that? I love it. I'm on a bike. Yeah! Oh, man. This is always fun. Am I low enough? If only I had one of them 360 cameras where y'all could see fucking everything. I'd be waving to people and shit, just having a good time. Come on, come all the way out. Hit me. Run me off the road. I see a cop up ahead. Hey, there's a cop right there. I'll stare right at him, I don't care. It's nice when all your paperwork's in order and shit. And you're not breaking the law. There's a cop up ahead. I'm gonna see what he says. Oh yeah, they're fucking... I'm gonna chill right about here. Actually, I'm gonna chill right about here. I'm curious on what happened. Low power, fuck. I'm gonna try to catch it for you guys. Oh, they fucked up there. Oh, that's what it is? Oh. Somebody fucked up. Holy shit. Oh. Watch that glass. God damn, my boy. Holy fuck. Alright, second channel shenanigans. I gotta grab these two batteries here. Let's, first things first, make sure she's all cleaned out because we are headed now to Indiana. And this is the first time I'm doing truck shit on the second channel. So let's see if she fires, for one.
Let's see it. Come on. There we go. All right. Come on. Dodges are weird. Look at that. There we go. All right, I'm gonna grab these 2 batteries and pull her out. We're good to go. I got the cooler. Loud as hell. All right, I haven't driven a diesel truck, let alone Bertha, in a while. Listen to this fucking thing. I miss my diesel truck. So, I'm gonna go run some errands and shit, but this is pretty much where I'm gonna end it.